Here's the best way to compress videos on Mac. First, head over to the website handbrake.fr. Then press on this red button right here to download Handbrake. Handbrake is an open source video transcoder that will help you to compress all your videos on Mac with ease. After downloading Handbrake, open up the application. Now in Handbrake, go to open source in the upper left corner of the screen, select the video that you would like to compress and click on open. You first want to adjust the preset right here, so click on that and then choose one of these very fast presets right here. For most purposes 1080p 30 will just do fine. The general rule here is the bigger the resolution is, the bigger the file size of your video will be. So obviously if you choose 4K here, your video is gonna be bigger. If you don't care too much about the resolution, you should definitely go with something like 1080p here. And at the end, if you find that the video size is still far too big, you could still go with a lower resolution and then try again. So let's choose 1080p now here. And then here under format, typically you want to have MP4 and also make sure to take the option web optimized. Once that is done, go to the video tab right here, and for the frame rate, change this to constant frame rate. You're now ready to compress your video. To start the process, simply click on Start here on top. In the lower left corner of the screen, you can then see the progress of the compression. Once the compression is done, you will find your video in this location right here. To adjust the download location, you can always go to Browse here and then adjust it accordingly, if desired. We have now successfully compressed our video. Here on the left side, you can see the original video file, which was almost 700 megabytes big. And here on the right side, you see the compressed version of this video, which is now just 74.9 megabytes in size. Now before we wrap this up, let's have a look at the video quality of both of these versions. So this is the original version here with the big file size. How to screen record on the iPad, guys. First of all, I would like to deliver some good news to you. And here's the compressed version. How to screen record on the iPad, guys. First of all, I would like to deliver some good news to you guys, and that is actually... As you can see, there is barely any loss in quality, even though we compressed this file pretty heavily. And that's it, guys. This is the best way to compress videos on Mac. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.